What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I want to make this video just super quick on what it looks like when your CPA network does not shave you. So I'm going to be showing you some campaigns here coming up real quick, with these offers and such, so that way you guys can see, how much money you can make and all that when you aren't getting shaved. All right. So let's just jump over here and copy this URL. All right, so this offer converts on the thank you page. Do that again. All right, there we go. All right, so this offer says it converts on a thank you page, right? So that means as soon as we get to the thank you page, it should convert just like you said, right? Boom, just converted. So you guys see right now we're at $7.74. Now if we go to the home page here, just like that, the offer converted, $8.27. That's how you know your CPA network is not shaving you. Just like that. If it says it converts on the thank you page, obviously there might be some pages in between or whatnot, just like, any typical offer. But as soon as that person gets to the thank you page, it should convert. That simple, right? If it says it converts on page 3, it should convert on page 3. And you should be able to verify that like that, right? So that's what it looks like when your CPA network does not shave you. All right? And as you guys can see, that offer payout really doesn't matter. I guess I can touch base on that real quick, because if your CPA network is like taking, let's say, like legit, like 9 out of 10 of your leads, because they do that. So let's say you're getting 1 out of 10 of your leads, and you're getting $2 per lead, and then we got 10 out of 10 of our leads are coming straight to us, and we're only getting paid 50 cents per lead. A lot of people are going to see that $2 and be like, oh, I'd rather promote that offer because it's paying out 4 times more than this offer. All right, but you're getting shaved 9 times more on this one. So if you get, for every 10, every 10 clicks or whatever, you're getting let's say you get 1 conversion, you're getting $2. Over here, you're going to be getting $5. You're going to be making over twice as much right here if you run this offer versus this offer. Like, that's the power of not getting shaved. You gotta love not getting shaved, guys, because as soon as they put in their name, their phone number, the address, or whatever it says, you get paid, right? That's wonderful. Now, the downside is that, I guess I should mention this too. The only downside, it's not really a downside, is that if you're a newbie marketer or someone who sends shit traffic, you just get booted off the offer and you can't get back on there, right? Like, I guess that's the only upside, to shaving, because a lot of networks shave, at least in my opinion or whatnot, they shave because, let's say you got someone over here, they're doing fantastic. You got somebody over here that's doing fantastic. You got somebody over here that's doing fantastic. And you're taking money from all of them, right? Then you get that one bumfuck piece of shit that comes in and just runs a whole bunch of garbage traffic and just scams the network. Now, you would be pretty much just SOL as a CPA network because of this person right here. Now, since you were shaving this person plus everybody else, that cushions the blow, and you're still going to be perfectly fine at the end of the day. The advertiser's going to be okay. Everybody's going to be happy, right? Because you're shaving everyone. Everyone is being shaved, so that can just go into like a little pool, like a little backup fund. Like, okay, if this person fucks up, or they send some garbage traffic and we don't notice it until it's too late and we already paid them out, we're just going to ban their account, shut them down, and then just give the advertisers back some money or whatnot. So then that'll just be the end of that. But when it comes to the no shave offers, like where you don't get shaved whatsoever in these private networks, which is why you normally can't get into these networks unless you pay for a course, so that person who owns the network knows you're actually going to be promoted correctly. Because again, if you come in and you do this right here, there is no backup funds or reserves or whatnot. That's going to come all out of the owner of the CPA network's pocket, right? So that's why it's really hard to get into private networks as well. But yeah, you guys get the point. Shaving, when you don't get shaved, it's absolutely amazing. The only downside is that if you send garbage traffic, you will be kicked off the offer immediately, and you legit will not be able to get back on there. So yeah, as long as you're sending good, high quality traffic, you wouldn't have any problems. If you're going to do shit like pico workers and stuff like that, obviously you will be kicked off the offer immediately. Like, that's just common sense. I mean, that would be sweet because you get a guaranteed 50 cent. This isn't like if you're running over on Trash Bounty, where you gotta, hope that they're gonna give you your conversion and stuff like that. This is guaranteed you're gonna get your conversions or whatnot. So you go over there, you pay 25 cent per one, you're gonna get another 25 cent back. Boom. Everything seems great, but this isn't one of those where you can send garbage traffic to. So yeah, you got your good and your bad. Obviously, if you're a experienced marketer or a good marketer or whatnot, and you don't send bullshit traffic, that really doesn't apply to you. But to all the people who do send garbage traffic and stuff like that, then yeah. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Also, if you put in an application to the Oryx Network and you didn't get approved yet, that means you got denied. Like, there's really no way around it. You got denied. If you come and just like say something like, "Oh, I run Facebook ads," denied. If you're like, "Oh, I'm an experienced marketer," denied. Like, put in some damn work. Like, this is a CPA network. Like, put in some damn work. Act like you want to be approved. If you show you don't want to be approved, you ain't getting approved. Put in some work. That simple. But again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and all that fun stuff.